Time for another brand new ultimate taste test. But what will I be trying? Another M&M product. And I'll tell you more in just a moment. Hey people, how are we doing today? Time for a brand new ultimate taste test. And what will I be trying today? I'll be trying M&M's white chocolate peanut. Yes, these colorful candy shells of red, yellow, orange, brown, green, and blue. They melt in your mouth, not in your hand. Or so they say. But the question is, how will they taste with white chocolate? Well, let's find out. Well, as always, the peanut tastes really crunchy and good. The shell, of course, always wonderful. And there's something missing. It's sweet, but there's not a whole lot of flavor to it. Now, normally I like M&M peanut. It's really nice. The chocolate's really nice and smooth as always. Well, this seems to be overly sweet. And when you have a peanut and sweet, you need to have a nice little balance. But the balance is off somehow. Unfortunately, I have to give these a 6 out of 10. They're good. If someone gave them to me again, I would probably eat them, but I wouldn't buy them for myself. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know you like it. And of course, if you have a different opinion about the white chocolate peanut M&Ms, then put that in the comment section below. I read all comments. And of course, if you're brand new to this channel and you like what you see, subscribe to my channel. Become part of my YouTube family. And then when you do, make sure to leave a message so that way I know who you are. And I can thank you. And of course, if you wish to, you may write me a letter. And you can send it to Kenny Davenport at P.O. Box 198, Crossville, Tennessee 38557.